How to fix Telegram not syncing messages. If Telegram is not syncing your messages, it can be frustrating. Let's work through some fixes to get everything back in sync. First, check your internet connection. A weak Wi-Fi or mobile data connection can cause delays in message syncing. Try switching between networks to see if that helps. Next, make sure Telegram has permission to use background data. On Android, go to Settings, then find the apps and find the Telegram app on it and tap on data uses and ensure background data is allowed. If you are using Telegram on a desktop, ensure you are connected to a stable network and check for any issues with your router. Also, head to Settings, then tap on Data and Storage and check if the Useless Data feature is turned off. This feature can sometimes slow down the syncing process. If it's on, try turning it off and see if syncing improved. If the issue persists, try logging out of your account and logging back in. This can force Telegram to resync your messages and resolve any lingering issues. Let me know in the comments if you are still having trouble. And once everything is synced up, you'll be able to see all your messages and keep up with your chats in real time. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.